I really appreciate everyone present here today as you honor this occasion. The Lord will honor you too in Jesus' name.
We give God the praises and adoration for the privilege given to all of us to feature in this year's end of year program. Let me advise that parents need to create more time to monitor their words. The use of social media is seriously affecting students' academic performance. This is our prayer that they will all excel.
There are some people, they will not understand what they are doing, and they will not communicate with any teachers or their friends. They will be too shy to ask questions because they think that their friends will embarrass them in class. Don't think that. If you don't understand something, meet your teacher, learn to say no. If you are reading and your friend comes and asks you, hey, you this boy, oh yeah, let's go and play ball in the field. You learn to say no and say no. I don't want to play ball, I am studying.
Leadership is not about a title. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration.
Daddies and mommy, we don't have the right to impose career on these wonderful people. Discover their talent and build them along that line.
To the glory of God, we are starting our nursery and primary school. We are starting a nursery and primary school. And all efforts have been put together to make sure that we have effective, efficient, and qualified resources, to make it outstanding.